Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram live option not showing up on your account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see currently from here, there sometimes can be the problem where the live feature doesn't appear when you try to create a brand new story. So what you're going to do is from here, you're going to check that your application is up to date. To do so, all you have to do is exit, make sure that you install, or you can just go directly to the Play Store right here. And then from here, once you go there, you're going to search for Instagram. And then once you show your Instagram, it's going to show right here. And as you can see, my app needs to update. So if you have this button issues, then make sure to click on update and make sure that the application is to the latest version. Once you double check that and it still doesn't appear, then maybe it's because of your account type. So make sure that you switch your account to professional. You can do so by going to the top three buttons right here. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you see the button that says account management. Now I don't have it here because I have already turned my account to professional, and you can check that by after you click on it for the account management, then you can see this professional dashboard on your main homepage. Now finally, if that still doesn't work, then double make sure about your age, because if your age on the account is less than 18, then there's a big chance that it is blocked in your country due to national laws. To do so, all you have to do is to go to the top settings right here again, then you go to account center, and then from here you're going to go down and check for the personal details. And if you're set for below 2006 compared to 2025, then make sure that you click on it and try to edit it and change to see that your birthday is above the age of 18. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.